Hello and welcome to Infinity Academy. Today we are going to study basics of number system. 597648, it is a number in which 8 is on the ones place, 4 is on the tens place, 6 is on the hundreds place, 7 on the thousands place, 9 on the 10,000s place and 5 on the 1 lakhs place. So if we talk about 6, so the place value of 6 is 6 into 100 equal to 600. However, the face value of 6 will be 6 itself. Now, if we will talk about 4, the place value of 4 will be 40, 4 into 10. However, the face value of 4 will be 4 itself. Now, let's go to the decimal point. After decimal point, 3 will be on the tens place, 2 will be on the hundreds place, and 5 will be on the thousands place. Now, let's go to the various types of number system. Natural number are also called counting number and it is also denoted by n. It starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity. Whole number is W and it starts from 0 to infinity. Integers I or Z minus infinity to plus infinity. Positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4 infinity. Negative integers -1, -2, -3, -4 minus infinity. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Then 0 is even number, 0 plus x equal to x, 0 into x equal to 0, x divided by 0 equal to infinity. Non-negative integers 0 and all positives. However, non-positive integers minus infinity to 0. Rational numbers. The numbers of the form p upon q where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0 are known as rational numbers. Any number which you can write as a fraction is a rational number. Between two fractions, there can be infinite number of fractions. Irrational numbers, non-repeating and non-terminating decimals forms are called irrational numbers. Now first we will discuss about the repeating decimals. You can see 1 by 3 equal to 0.3333 . So 3 is getting repeated. So we can write 0.3 bar. So now we will see square root of 2. Here no number is getting repeated. So it is 1.414 ... but it is non-terminating. So here after a decimal point every time you are getting a new number. So it is not getting repeated. So we will discuss how to find the square root of any number. We will discuss about it later. Now let's take an example of 22 by 7. It is also called pi, 3.1415 and so on. So this is very famous question in which 22 by 7 is rational but pi is irrational. When we will divide 22 by 7, we will get 3.142857142857. Solution of pi, then we will get 3.1415926654. So in 22 by 7, we see that the set is getting repeated. That's why it is. Take an example of 22 by 7 or it is also called pi. It is very famous term. So 22 by 7 is a rational number. Why? Because when we convert it into decimal, so it is 3.142857142857. That means the set is getting repeated. However, when we take the decimal form of pi, it is 3.1415926654. It is not getting repeated. That's why it is irrational number. Now let's go to the real numbers or rational and irrational prime numbers. Natural number greater than 1 which can be divided by 1 or by itself. Example 3, 5, 11, 13 and many more. 1 is not a prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. Prime numbers are positive integers. There are no negative prime numbers. So is 41 a prime number? Yes, 41 is a prime number because it cannot be divided by any other number other than 1 or 41. Is 81 a prime number? Yes, because 81 can be divided by 9. Now till 100 you can move very fast whether this number is prime or not. But number beyond 100 is a difficult task to find out whether it is prime or not. Let us pick up a number 247. So the first step is to find the square root of 247 because I know it is 15.7. Second step is to list the prime numbers. Now you have to divide 247 by each number to check whether it is prime or not. Is 247 divisible by 2? No. By 3, is it divisible? No. 1 is remaining. By 5, definitely not. By 7, is it divisible? No. By 11, no. Now by 13, yes, it is divisible. 19 into 13. Therefore, it is not a prime number because 247 is divisible by 1, 247 and 13. This application is very useful. Now this is the topic, how to test a number greater than 100 whether it is prime or not. So whatever we have discussed in 247, it is written in words. Let x is a number greater than 100. Find square root of x. If x is not divisible by any prime number, then x is a prime number. What are composite number? Natural numbers greater than 1 which are not prime. Example 4, 6, 9, 10. What are co-prime numbers? Two numbers are said to be co-primes when they have only numerical 1 as a common factor, like 6 and 25. Factors of 6 are 1, 2 and 3. Factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 5. So only 1 is common. Hence, both have only 1 as a common factor, so they are co-prime. The last one is absolute value of a number. It says that number is its distance from 0. It is how far, not in which direction. The linings are called mode. Mode of -3 is 3. Negative becomes positive.